Alright guys, welcome back to another episode of Over the Table. I'm hungry this time. I do stuff over the table pretty much every day, but I don't eat over the table, which is what tables are for. They're for eating. All I've really got here is this little $50 coin. There's no warning labels on it. Almost dropped it. There's no warning labels on it though, so we're gonna give it a try right here for you guys and tell you how it tastes. That's not good. Oh, I don't recommend. Oh, I gotta spit out. That's better. Woo! Still in my teeth. Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Over the Table's random reviews. Now, I'm sure that you've seen that magic trick done before. If you haven't, then now you've seen it. But what is impressive about this is that I have the actual product. Of course, this is random reviews. I'm reviewing this product. It's very, very cheap. Anyone can buy it, and you can wow your friends and your family. All around a decent trick. It's great for close-up magic because it's not too easy to spot. We're gonna go and open this thing up, check it out, and see if it's worth it. Alright guys, so here is our package. It does come pretty darn small. It's a pretty standard white eBay packaging, the bubble wrap type. We're going to use this little penknife here to open this thing up. Alright, so here is our product. It does come protected in some plastic here, as you can see. Let's go ahead and see if we can get it out. Okay, so what you get in your package is your coin and then what appears to be an extra rubber band, which is pretty much how this thing works. Now, if you want to know how this trick works, it is as simple as this. Boom. It's just basically little rubber bands in there that flip the coin back. So you can see that it goes and it stretches these little rubber bands on the side and it makes the coin spring back. Now, of course, you're going to want to do this in a way where this is what you will see. You'll see this. You want to hold it all the way down. It can be angly if someone sees it from the side. So anywhere along the lines of here, you don't really want to go too far that way. You really want this to be straight on for the trick. It springs back decently quick, not the fastest thing, but you can always hide small actions with big actions. So if I wave my hand like that, you couldn't even see what happened. Again, if I just, boom, you can't even see what happened between there because I hid a small motion in a big motion. It's a really decent trick. It's really cool to make it look like you bit into a quarter. Kind of looks like a $50. It does bend both ways, but I don't think it's supposed to. I would only bend it back this way because when it goes back, it hides the seams a lot better, which is what you want in case you're close up, because you can't really tell unless you really look at it that there's a seam there to where it goes back together. All in all, it seems like a decent product. It's not like perfect quality, but it's got the weight of a coin, the feel of a coin. It's a little shiny, so it's like a brand new coin if you were to compare it to one. I don't know if it's as big as a $50. I know it's definitely like bigger than a quarter, but it's a decent size. Definitely gets you the illusion that you're looking for. And again, it's that easy. You definitely want to release it in a big motion, and you will fool so many people with this because it's all about the trick coin. You make it look like you bite it. You make it look like it's all bitten apart. And then, boom, you're right back together. Everything looks good. The coin is pretty seamless. Of course, if you're on this side, you can see the seams a little bit more. They do a great job of hiding it. On this side, there's a lot more noise going on as far as details in the coin that can hide this line, this crease of where it separates. But all in all, it's a pretty decent product. And again, it's super cheap and it's a great magic trick. Anyone can do it. It's super simple, super cheap, super affordable, and super worth it. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed that quick little review. and reveal of this little coin magic trick. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed to the channel, I've got a subscribe button right down here. If you want to check out the last video, it'll be right up there. And if you want to check out the playlist with lots more reviews of stuff just like this, it'll be right up there. Have a great day, everybody. And as always, don't get shot.